I've asked you to consider what is truth, and that is the metaphysical question. What what makes in reality? What makes a statement true in reality? And I think I'd like to consider a couple of, or make some, maybe not consider a couple of statements and make some observations about them to help us get clear on the question that we're asking. Now, let's consider two statements, following statements. The earth is not flat. Something everybody understands what I'm saying, that it's not flat, something somebody supposedly discovered way back then, and the earth is flat. Those are two statements. They could be true, they could be false. Actually, I think most of us know whether they're true or false. There are a few people seem to be confused about that. But when we're thinking about truth, we should think about things that we would say about statements in general. And I think we could say the following things. One, take any real statement that's being made. You know, it's that is a declarative statement about the world. That is, the statement is either true or false. A statement's asserting about the way things are, so it's either true or false. You know, and any statement that's not true is false. So there are only two possibilities: either if it's true, it's false. If it's false, it's true. If it's false, it's not true. Excuse me. I hope I said, yeah. Either it's true, and if so, it's not false, or it's false, and if so, it's not true. That there's no third possibility that we have. Another thing to consider is that clearly statement number one is true. Maybe years and years and years ago it was controversial, but there's no question statement one is true. So these are a few observations, and the other thing that we see is statement two is without question false. The earth is flat is false. It's not correct. So I think these are a couple of things that we can agree on with respect to truth. And when we're ascribing truth to statements, all of these observations, these facts have to be taken into consideration.